smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Morning wake-up call from all the cows as we come down the valley. Something set them off, all coming with us down the valley. Walking down through all the ski infrastructure to get down to Courmayeur, Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia. Here are the Alps. First water feature of the day. At Courmayeur in the valley. And then down there. Back and forth, down into Courmayeur. Coming down into Courmayeur, past all the ski infrastructure for little kids. Entry point. The town spreads out across the valley. There you come into the village. And there's water. And water for your horses. Church, and we go off that way through Courmayeur and then out the back. Just outside Courmayeur, a little bit contrived, but it's a waterfall. Oh, this is a tough up. Where is he? There's water coming all the way down that gorge, all the way down. Lunch at a Rifugio, and this is the view you get for your lunch. Looking out on the valley. And Courmayeur below. I'd much rather do this bit with trees to my left, but you're a long way up and it's a long drop down. Here we are, day 4 on Tour de Mont Blanc. This one we got up in the morning, went down, goodness knows how far, took an hour and 3/4 to get through Courmayeur, to go back out of Courmayeur, to go up to Rifugio Bonatti, I think it is. No, not Rifugio Bonatti, that's the one we're going to a refuge. Had a quick stop for a drink. And now we've got a 2-hour preamble, I think, round contour lines with snow-capped mountains to one side and alpine meadows to the other. If I turn around, this is what you get. There's Caroline. This is what you get on one side of you, and then on the other side, although there are trees at the moment, I got out into the open, it's just alpine meadow. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But not much of the day left. But in any case, let's see where the day takes us. Look at this thing. I think the rest of the day is just to walk to the end of the valley. There's a Rifugio up there somewhere. And then we come down from there and get a bus back all the way to Courmayeur to where we're staying. And then the following morning get the bus all the way back and walk up the hill. Just the variety of flowers. Unbelievable. Really beautiful. Lunch. And my lunch view. Slowly getting closer to the end of the valley. So we're just following a contour line, which is really quite nice. And we'll get there when we get there. Slightly different water crossing. Go up the side, a little bit slippy, and then cross. More beautiful falls. Looking down on us. Arrived. Whew. Sitting outside the Rifugio Bonatti. So, down from Rifugio Bonatti, because we're not staying there. Then we've got a 1,500 metre path or so. Not quite sure how far it drops. But we've got to come up this path tomorrow. So, yeah. If we'd been able to stay on that one, wow, we'd be looking at the Italian Alps all night. Oh well. Making our way down. Another rocky descent, and then at some point I imagine we're going to cross the river, hopefully with a bridge. I imagine it would be. Quite a fierce river beside us. Oh, I can see a bridge through there. What a beautiful waterfall. So we're down at the bottom of the mountain waiting for the bus to take us back to Courmayeur, and that's the bus that we have to take back again. place. And then we have to look up at that all night.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.